Well, the Me Too tsunami in the Malayalam film industry has left the country in a state of both shock and worry. Actors have come forward and leveled allegations of sexual abuse at the hands of their co-stars in the film industry. This wave of allegations surfaced after Hema Committee report brought to the fore the dark reality of the industry, revealing the rampant sexual harassment that the women in the industry have had to face. Several top-rated actors and filmmakers have been accused of being sexual predators, including the CPM MLA Mukesh. Amid this raging storm, the Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has broken his silence on the entire matter for the first time. Speaking at the ceremony to present Sri Kumar Thampi Award to Malayalam actor Mohanlal yesterday, Chief Minister Vijayan batted for safe working environment for women artists in the industry. He asserted that the left government's actions are aimed at reforming the industry and that it is precisely why the state government had even formed the Hema Committee after complaints came in. The Chief Minister said that women should be able to work in the film industry without fear and artists should not face conditions or limitations in their profession.
സ്ത്രീകൾക്ക് നിർഭയമായി കടന്നുവന്ന് തങ്ങളുടെ കഴിവുകൾ തെളിയിക്കാനുള്ള എല്ലാ സ്വതന്ത്രാവസരങ്ങളും ചലച്ചിത്ര രംഗത്തുണ്ടാവണം. കലാകാരികളുടെ മുൻപിൽ ഒരുവിധ ഉപാധികളും ഉണ്ടാവരുത്. കലേതരമായ ഒരു വ്യവസ്ഥയും ഉണ്ടാവരുത്. ഈ കാര്യത്തിൽ സംസ്ഥാന സർക്കാരിന് വലിയ നിർബന്ധം ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ് ചില പരാതികൾ ഉണ്ടായപ്പോൾ സ്ത്രീകളുടേത് മാത്രമായ ഒരു കമ്മിറ്റിയെ നിയോഗിച്ചത്. ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ആകെ ഒരിടത്ത് മാത്രമേ ഇത്തരമൊരു നടപടി ഉണ്ടായിട്ടുള്ളൂ. അത് കേരളത്തിലാണ്. നമുക്ക് അഭിമാനിക്കാവുന്ന ഒരു മാതൃകയാണത്. ഈ മാതൃക പലയിടത്തും ഇനി സ്വീകരിക്കപ്പെടുമെന്നത് ഉറപ്പാണ്. സ്ത്രീകളുടെ തൊഴിലവകാശത്തിനും അഭിമാന സംരക്ഷണത്തിനും വേണ്ടി സർക്കാർ വിട്ടുവീഴ്ചയില്ലാത്ത നിലപാട് കൈക്കൊള്ളുക തന്നെ ചെയ്യും. അവർക്ക് നിർഭയമായി കലാപരമായ കഴിവുകൾ തെളിയിക്കുവാൻ കഴിയുന്ന സുരക്ഷിതത്വമുള്ള വിധത്തിൽ കലാരംഗത്തെ ശുദ്ധീകരിച്ചെടുക്കാൻ പ്രതിജ്ഞാബദ്ധമാണ് സംസ്ഥാന സർക്കാർ എന്നറിയിക്കട്ടെ.
Meanwhile, as the Chief Minister advocated for women to be allowed a safe working environment where they get opportunities to portray their talents without any fear, one of the own MLAs is among the people who have been accused of sexual harassment. In fact, Mukesh was booked for sexual and verbal assault based on a complaint by a fellow actor who also named 6 other individuals in her complaint. The sections invoked in the FIR are of rape and outraging a woman's modesty. There's been a growing clamour demanding the resignation of Mukesh as MLA on moral grounds. Women activists and several leaders from the CPI have vociferously demanded for the resignation of Mukesh, putting pressure on the ruling CPM to act. But the party's state committee, after a meeting yesterday, made it clear. CPM stated that there was no need for Mukesh to resign as MLA, but said that he would be removed as a member of the committee for formulating the film policy. The party's argument was that there are many MPs and MLAs in the country who have cases related to crimes against women, but none of them have quit as legislators. CPM's state committee also asserted that there was no legal procedure available for a person to get his or her MLA seat back after the resignation if he or she is proven innocent later. This, the party argued, amounted to denial of justice if the accused is acquitted by the court.
ഇവിടെ വളരെ ഗൗരവപൂർണമായ ഒരു ചർച്ച നടത്തിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് മുകേഷ് രാജിവെക്കണമോ എന്ന ചോദ്യം. കുറ്റം ആരോപിക്കപ്പെട്ടയാൾ നിയമസഭാ സാമാജികത്വം രാജിവെച്ചാൽ പിന്നീട് നിരപരാധിയാണെന്ന് തെളിയിക്കപ്പെടുന്ന സാഹചര്യം വന്നാൽ അവരെ തിരിച്ചെടുക്കുന്നതിനുള്ള നിയമ സംവിധാനം ഇല്ല. അത്തരമൊരു നിലപാട് സാമാന്യ നീതി നിഷേധിക്കുക എന്ന കാര്യത്തിലേക്കാണ് എത്തിച്ചേരുക. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇക്കാര്യത്തിൽ അത്തരമൊരു നിലപാട് സ്വീകരിക്കാനാവില്ല എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് കാണുന്നത്.
Let's go across to my colleague Jayalakshmi joining us on the broadcast. Jayalakshmi, there have been massive protests, demands that have come in from political leaders and several women activists as well, that there are grave allegations against actor Mukesh and he must resign as MLA, but the CPM saying that he will not do so.
Yes, of course, the CPM's statement is, they have made it very clear that they will not fall under any political pressure and demand resignation from the MLA, because they believe that until and unless he is proven guilty, there is no point for him to resign, because then if he is, after a point, if the courts free him, if he is proven innocent, then there is no legal provision for him to come back to the elected body. So that is one of the major reasons that they have cited. And second reason is that there are other members, of other political parties who have been accused of the same charges and who were holding the MLA and the MP position, but none of them resigned. So why should CPIM do? These were the exact words used by CPIM State Secretary M.V. Govindan, who justified, who defended MLA Mukesh, saying that the party will not demand resignation, but at the same time clarified that if the allegations against him are proven correct, then the next step would definitely be his resignation. The party will not be protecting him, and he will not get any privileges. Even in the ongoing illegal investigation, Mukesh is not going to get any privileges of being an MLA, is what the party had clarified, and has said that, but until and unless he is proven guilty, he will still remain his MLA position.
Okay, all right. Jayalakshmi, stay with us.